My name is Luke from Adreno Melbourne, and I want to show you guys how to make the little loops for a standard rubber or on a roller gun at the base of the rubber where they go onto an anchor. This is called a button knot or a diamond knot. And basically it's made of Dyneema, and then there's a knot in here just tied in place with a constrictor cord. All right, for this knot, you're just gonna need 2 mil or 1.8 Dyneema and cut it about 20 centimeters long. First step is thread it onto a finger and that's going to be kind of the length of the loop when you actually have it off. So the knot's going to end up here and we're going to have a nice little loop that will extend outside of the rubber. So this guy's going to lay flat, and this other end we're going to work with, and we're actually going to put a bit of a twist in it, and we're going to roll it over onto this other strand here. And it's really important to note that it goes over and it's just sitting underneath. Then give a little pinch, and you're just going to raise this part of Dyneema so that we can hook it through there. We're going to run this guy around everything underneath this piece, and it's only going to loop through that one little part that we pinched. So it's kind of threaded through. When we pull everything tight, you're going to see a very symmetrical, nice little knot there. At that point, you can work that off your finger, and we can work the rest of this knot just by holding it. So the next step, we just need to run these guys around this part, up and through. So we're going to go the way that it goes, around this line here, and then through the center. And we'll pull that tight. And same thing for this one, it's come around. So we'll continue with that bend around this part here, and then through the center. So what we're left with is this very flat looking type of a knot, and these two little pieces parallel coming away from each other. Now to make this a nice round knot, we're going to roll this towards the loop. So we're going to roll and pull, and you're just going to work all these strands through. And some of these you're going to have to pull a little bit through and just work that material through the knot. And this guy here, and there we go. So that's a really nice knot that now we can insert inside of some rubber and then tie it off. So just to trim it up and make it clean, I trim maybe 3 mil out, and I try to make it under pressure. It'll cut a little bit easier. And with these strands, we can burn this back towards the knot. You can kind of tap that down. And now we're left with a really nice knot that can get inside that rubber there.